This is OMNI-TAPE, or more recently known as 2-in-1. We have done a video on this where we've explained that this is, rather than having two pieces of tape, one hook, one loop, this is a tape that has the hook and loop woven in rows, so it grips to itself. And what we've found is that people are requesting this with buckles so that they can effectively make their own straps at home to whatever length they need. Now we do a strap using this tape where we do weld the buckle on, but obviously that just creates a fixed length strap. So what we've done is we've created a 5-meter pack of tape, so it's 50mm wide, 5-meter roll, and put in 10 of the plastic buckles. So you can just cut off whatever length you need for whatever job you need to wrap, and then simply put a buckle on and press it down. Obviously these are for light duty applications, although they will hold, because all of the force against the strap is actually trying to separate the tape. Rather than peel the tape, it's trying to separate it in a shear. So there is a lot of strength there. What we do say is that you need to allow enough overlap to fasten this tape back on itself on the buckle. So whatever length you need to cut your tape to create the strap, just add 50mm on the end so that you can have plenty to create that buckle closure, and then obviously that allows you to create the strap that you need, and then you've got no waste, you can reuse it. These buckles are available widely, and this tape is also available as standard on a 25-meter roll. So you can always buy, if you're using a lot of it, you can always buy the 25-meter roll and sort of packs of 100 of these buckles to make your own straps up. But the kit that we supply is just 5 meters and 10 buckles.